Hello, this is Munir from OceanWP. In this video, I'm going to show you the different header options we have in the great OceanWP WordPress theme. And I will try to explore the possible different header layouts uh, and the features available with the theme, and also a great powerful feature where we can design a header uh, any way we want with the page builder such as Elementor. I'll be using Elementor page builder for creating my custom header layout. Alright, so let's get started. I have a test theme installation already here, and this is the basic header layout, the minimal header layout we have. We can see here. Okay, let's go to the customize and go to header. So these are the options we have for the header. Let's start with the first one, general. So in the general, the first option we have is the style of the header. OceanWP comes with a few great styles which are already very enough and useful for most of the theme. And as you can see, so this the first one is the minimal style. Like this is like this. We have a top bar, the logo on left, and the menu on the right. The other style is the transparent style. If you select this, basically what it does is it makes the header layout, header div transparent. So suppose you have a background image at the bottom, it will go up here. I can't show you the specific stuff right now. I'll try to later. So this is the style 2. We have then the top menu style. Okay, it adds the menu on the top. You can see the links. Basically, I have set the links to yellow, and if I make it default, now you can see the links. So we have the links on the top in this style, and the top bar on the top, and the logo in the center, and at this position. All right. So this is the style 3, and then we have a full screen style. It adds the menu to this like this, and if you click on this, the menu will pop up like this. So it's pretty nice as well, and you can see the the animation changes to X and the lines. So this is the style 4, and then we have a very famous and most requested style in many, the users have been asking to different forums in many different themes. I've seen this request. So it makes the logo center evenly. So three, like I had the four, six options, six items in the menu. So it puts the logo in the center, and three items on the left and three items on the right. The sliding panel option I have enabled. So but now the game changer here is, beside this powerful header layout, for me the game changer is this option. It allows you to replace this header, this default theme header, with any page on your site. Now let's explore. I'll first show you the different other options in the header, and then I will explore this option at the end. So hang on with me. So the other options we have for the header are the height in pixel. This is the height of the header. If you increase it, you can see the height of the header is increasing nicely. So depending on your design, you can adjust the height. All right, and then you can uncheck this, and the header bottom border will be removed. You can't see the notice here, but if I change the bottom color to red and the bottom heading, and now you can see it. There is a bottom border here. You can disable it, you can change the color, you can change its padding, etc. So you can pretty much control it. And this is the background color we have here. We can change this easily. All right. And this is the border bottom color which I showed you. This is the padding inside the header. This is the height, and this is the padding from top and bottom. Basically it's just the top padding actually. So you can adjust the top padding if you like from this option. All right, so now next we have the logo. You can, obviously this is self-explanatory. You can change the logo, and also you can hide for the retina, and maximum width, you can set the maximum width. Like currently, if I, and the width is in pixels, so if I put 100, so the width is restricted to 100 pixels only. And likewise, depending on your logo, you can set the maximum width whatever you want, right? I'll just leave it blank for now. Now the third option is the menu. So in the menu we have pretty much many useful customizations provided. Top level drop down icon, like suppose if you have the drop down menu items, so you can basically it's not that. Let me show you. Let me change the menu a little bit. I need to go to menu, my main menu, and I need to add an item, and it could be sample page. All right, and I will put it as a drop down here. That's it. So now, if I go back to the general options, sorry, if I go back to the header options and then the menu option, this checkbox basically removes this icon if you uncheck that. So we have if I click this, and you see the icon is removed. So if I check this, you have a drop down icon which indicates that it is a drop down menu. So now this checkbox, second class level drop down icon. So basically I'm not going to test it. It may be showing a drop down icon here if you have a second level item here as well. Now this is the drop down top bar. Now you see a top bar here, this one. You can uncheck this and this top bar is removed. All right. So now we have a position right and position left. As you can see, it is aligned to left and now it's aligned to right. The main styling section we have, and here we have left right padding in pixels. So if I increase this, you can see this is basically the padding between the menu items. You can increase this, decrease this, and click on this to make it default. You can change the link color, self-explanatory. The link colors will be changed, and similarly you can change the hover color. Right now it's yellow. The active color means it shows you the current page when you will be on that page. And the link background color, suppose so the link background color is currently empty, it's transparent. If I make it this, so you see now we have a link background color. Every link has a background. So I'll just quickly disable it, and there's some self-explanatory styling for the menu. You can play with this. Download is styling, the drop downs is styling. So basically this styling section applies on the drop down div you see here. Like suppose if I increase the width, like now you see that width is increased. I'll make it default. I can change the background color, so now it matches the background of my drop down. If I can change the top bar background border color, or um, I can disable it. Here you go. All right, so there's some more styling to this section, and then we have a search icon. So this is again very useful. Did we take, sorry, OceanWP comes with some brilliant options for you to allow users to interact with the search. Like currently, it shows you search in the drop down, but because this is style select, if I disable this, it will not show you the search icon at all. And there is two more styles. I click this header replace, and it will basically replace the header nice menu items nicely, and user could search here, right? And it can also show you the search form as an overlay. If you select this one, and if I click this now, I can see this like search like this. So pretty impressive. This was the hidden feature. I didn't aware of that earlier. I just noticed it recently. So play with this, and whatever option you select for the search functionality here in the menu, there are some styling options available at the below it. So as you can see, uh, as I have selected the overlay, it is showing me the overlay background color, right? So I can play. You can play with this. I'll just put. I'll just disable it for now. All right. Now we have the drop-down category posts. This is something different. We can touch it later. All right. So this was the menu styling. Now we have a menu social icon. If I enable this, and I put some links for my menu social profiles. All right, so you can see the menu social icons are appearing here nicely, and you have the styling for this social link style. It's simple, and you may set it colored with a which is picking the default social icon color, branded color, and you have the choice for minimal and dark. So pretty much impressive options again for the social icons in the menu, in the header, in OceanWP theme. And you can link the target to same window or new window. New window means if I click on this, a new window will open with the which will lead users to your social profile in a new tab. All right, and you have pretty much styling over here, styling the color or the hover color. Right, I'll make it. I'm gonna disable this. So menu, and then we have mobile menu. So let's click on this to view the mobile view. Right now it's showing like this. So I can click on right, and what this does is it changes the direction we have. Like right now it's coming from right, and if you click on left, which was the default option, and then the user will click on menu, the menu will come from the left. And also right now it's like pushing the window, pushing the main window, and coming the menu, right? But if you click on this displays, then the menu will come as an overlay. You will notice that it is not pushing this window. So we have two options to set it, and we have the mobile search option. If you disable this, the mobile search box will not appear. So again, very powerful option for customizing the menu in the mobile. And then you have different mobile menu styling options available. All right, so these are the header customization options available in Divi. These are really, you can play with this, and you can really create impressive different style of headers for each of your website or your client's website. Now the game, let's get into the game changer part, which was the custom header. All right, before I set the custom header page, I need to create a new page, and using the Elementor, and let's go ahead and then we can select this. I'll go to pages and create a new page. I'll name it header or my custom header. Remember to set the template as landing page, as on the landing page I won't get the header and footer etc page title, etc. And I'll get a blank canvas to play with. So, and then click publish. By the way, um, I suggest you to make this page private because I don't want search engines or get this page to be indexed in the sitemaps because this is really not a content page. So I'll just make it private. Let me enable the Elementor plugin. I guess it's disabled. All right. So here I have a blank canvas. So let's try to make a simple header section. Add a section, and I will pick. Let's say I will pick this one. And now, the interesting thing is OceanWP provides you with very useful widgets to build your header. The one is called the custom header logo. So this will, as you can guess, get the logo. You can't see the logo here right now because I have the logo is white. So let me put this section a background color, and we have the gradient option also in Elementor, so we can impress create some impressive header here. I'll just pick a solid color for now. Let's say this one. So sorry. So this is the logo. As you can see, I have some options: left, right, or center. All right, I'll just move it left. Now I need the menu here. So I have this custom header navigation. Basically, what this does is this will pick the same menu which you see here along with the options you have set in the customizer. The same options apply to this widget also. So this is, and I will make it align, align to right. All right. So unlike the default OceanWP, it does not have the social icons at the top. So suppose, so I'm creating a custom header just for that case in this demo, but you can go really wild and crazy and create any type of header layout using the Elementor builder, whatever way you like. Just play with this, and you'll really, there's really no limit to whatever header you need to design now with OceanWP and Elementor. So I'll pick social icons from Uh, this theme, OceanWP also provides a social icon, but I'll pick this one just for testing. This is the widget by the social icon widget by Elementor itself. So I'll make it a square, and I'll make it a right align, and then I go to style. I'll make it custom color, and I'll make the primary color white. No, I'll make the primary color, yes, black. All right, just to match the background I want a transparent color basically. So that's it. I'll decrease the font size, icon size, and to, let's say, 18 pixel. All right, so here you go. I can now this is it. Now we have some margin options, so I'll just make the bottom margin 0 actually, and padding also 0, and the same I will do with this module, just to All right. So basically, this padding basically is 1 second. All right. Okay, so this must be coming from the menu customizer setting. We'll see this in a while. Okay, I'll just save this page and I'll go to my customizer and I'll refresh it. Go to the header, go to the general, change the header to custom header, and I will select the page which was my header page, which is not appearing right here. Just a second, please. And test drive. Okay, it should be saved, and I go to the dashboard, and I will first make it public. So sorry for the long video, but I hope you learned something. And the page, okay, it appears now because it was set to private, so it was not picking the page. So now I select the custom header from here. Bingo. As you can see that my header is appearing nicely here. You can see some background here because this was set from the header here. So I'll just make it transparent by clicking this one, or I can match the background of my header like this. All right, so I need to remove this spacing also. So let's see, with the menu option, I'll go to the menu and I'll reduce the, first of all, let's change the link color. And you can see these options are still working. So this is really nice. Um, all right, so the height was in the general setting and there was the height. All right, so I reduced this height and you can see that they are much closer now. So that looks nice, and I can change this to whatever, and let's check the mobile also. So as you can see, this is also becoming the toggle perfectly. I can just make this into center if I need, and let's try this in the page editor itself. Okay, so I'll go to this page editor and I will select this and all right, so there is no option for this, but we can do this. We can center the logo. We can center it. I go to, no. We can center it using the CSS basically, and you will need to apply this to to media query for mobile only. I'll I'll try. You can leave me comment and I'll try to uh, get you that code if you need. All right. So I hope you have learned something and you can really create any type of header uh, in this OceanWP and Elementor combo. This is really not limited to the default header styles provided by the OceanWP theme. Thank you for watching. Um, I hope if you have any requests for a specific video tutorial, please leave me a comment and I'll try to do that. Thank you. Take care.